hold up. All of these look like they was bought from the store. Wait a minute, maybe not. Look at them collard greens, y'all.
Oh my God.
See them string beans with the turkey butts, y'all? See, she really knows something about some soul food. Mac and cheese, y'all, my turn. Word is born, y'all. Y'all know we here. We got some turkey butts and the collard greens right there. This is some down home cooking, right? My cousin Shakira in here hooking it up because she learned from her mother, who learned from their mother, their mother. That's all that leads all the way up to my grandmother and all her sisters. Yes. Go ahead. Get it, girl. Get it. Look at them collard greens, y'all.
Oh my God.
Y'all, this is what you call soul food. Y'all thought I was gonna say train, didn't you? Had y'all going. Look at them greens, y'all. Look how big the pot is, right? And then look at this pot. What's in that one? String beans. Oh, Kira, you gotta open that one up first. They got string beans in there with some turkey what? Turkey butt. See them string beans with the turkey butts, y'all? You said turkey what butts? Huh?
Turkey tails.
Turkey tails. She call them turkey tails. We call them turkey butts.
Right.
These are turkey butts, y'all. She's trying to be all politically correct.
Right.
Look at that steam coming out, y'all. I'm hungry. I wasn't hungry. Now I'm hungry, y'all. This how we throw down. Our people's from the South. From Sumter, South Carolina. And from New Jersey, from New York. Hold up. There's a man in the house, y'all. Where he's hiding from the law right now. Let me stop.
Got warm.
Let me stop. Look, y'all. Look, we didn't make the apple cider, but we got some. The tent is going on out here. Look, got the heat. It's a little chilly out. They got the sternos going, y'all. They got me nervous with this big gas tank in the middle. But this has nothing to do with me. It's none of my business.
Nah, it's not good.
Look, he working that business. He know what he's doing. Look, hold up. You know, but like, bruh, it's 150 degrees in there with a propane tank. He warming it up. That's what it is. Got my cousin right here. What's this, peppermint?
That's mint.
That ain't got nothing to do with me, y'all. You know when they got mint, this is about their drinks. I gave up the drinking. For a new life with the Lord. Come on, y'all. Let's sing some spiritual. Y'all be like, oh, not that Negro that be singing the spirit. Oh, I can't say Negro on YouTube. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna have to cut that out. Look at them. Hold up. All of these look like they was bought from the store. Wait a minute, maybe not. All right, y'all. This is what's gonna be right here. I got that pot, right? These are heat up, though. We just gonna get a spoonful right there. Right like that. Right? And then we gonna just break a little piece of that turkey butt off right there like that. All right, then that's it for the greens. And then we're going to work our way. Over here. And then we're going to check out some of these green beans, y'all. Look at that right there. Oh, no, I'm good. We're going to get the green bean and get that piece of meat in there. Look, I think that's smoked turkey butt too. That's it. And we're going to go outside, y'all. We're going to take it outside. This is going to be the first thing we're going to eat. We're going to see if my cousin Kira can really know how to make soul food. Let me squeeze by y'all. We're going to check her out. See if she really knows something about some soul food. Ooh, that heat on my neck. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. It do feel good. Who is calling me? Roxanne Wynn. I got to call Roxanne back, even though I want to answer it. Oh, yeah. Ooh, when you get my age, that's how you gotta sit down. They go Kira in there watching. She's trying to watch the review, y'all, on the sneak. She's trying to watch the review. Kids running all around here. Get to work, boy. Here we go, y'all. Here we go. Look, just to let y'all know, I got the food too early, right? Because we in an old school house, right? When you're from my family, you gotta say grace before you eat. We didn't say grace, okay? So I'm gonna say it right now. Grace. No, let me stop. So bless the food and it's time to eat. It's not like a whole plate. It's just some greens and some green beans, all right? And with some turkey butts. That made it soul food right there, all right? So I'm gonna blame it on somebody that I'm eating before they graced it. Let's check it out, y'all. First the greens. First we tasting the greens. These are delicious, Kira. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
They gonna go fast.
I got more food coming.
Look, because the collard greens, right, it tastes nice and tender. And then you taste that little bitterness crossed with that sweetness. I think you put vinegar in here too?
Yeah.
I could taste that little vinegar, yeah. I didn't want to say she put vinegar in here until she said she did, but yeah. It's it. Now we're gonna go for the green beans.
Okay.
These green beans have been boiling with this smoked turkey because you can taste the flavor. It's delicious. See that turkey meat right there? That fatty turkey meat? Mmm.
Are you got a camera?
Yeah, they've been cooking this for a while. And it tastes really delicious. What you looking at, man? Hold up, we got company. What was that look? He gave us a look like. All right, y'all. I just wanted y'all to see a little bit of how my family throws down. Look.
Why you got that?
You gotta be quiet. I'm filming. No. We're filming. You know why I got this. This is what I do. I'm Matt DV. He taking off running. Got the young man back here putting the sodas in, right? Remember, he ain't got no shirt on out here. He about to get spanking. Somebody go get one of those switches. Oh, no, he did not.
Those switches. Oh, no, he did not.
He did not get me. He just sprayed soda on me, y'all. Now I'm gonna be sticky. That's what happens when you ain't got your shirt on. Go get me one of them switches off the trees. Go get a switch. Somebody needs a spank. You gotta stop looking at me like that, little man. All right, y'all. We not getting no switch. That brother too big to be switching. If he ain't learned by now. All right. Back to the green beans. The green. They both are very delicious. Which one is the best out of the collard greens and the green beans? The green beans. The green beans. If I was to pick, oh, that was yours.
I made them. I'm saying I had them in my hand.
Okay.
I ain't screaming. You over there YouTubing?
Yeah, this is gonna go on YouTube. It's just gonna be pre-recorded.
It's a celebrity.
It's good.
It's delicious.
It's filmable.
Look at that, y'all. See that right there? That's that turkey butt. Shakira calls them turkey tails. They turkey butts. That's why I ain't afraid to say it. It's the turkey butt.
They turkey. But
All right, y'all. I don't know if I've been talking too much. That one was cold. That's the warm one. That's the warm one. Look at them bones.
look.
Look at what? Yeah, man. That's the heat.
Why they gotta heat connect to that?
Why they? What do you mean, why they?
Why they got the heat?
This is you, man. You ain't got to say they. This is your house, too.
My house.
Yeah. I gotta go. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
There you go, my man. The little kid better get out of my way so I can finish my show. Hey, y'all. On to the next one. I'm going to see what I'm going to eat next. Mac and cheese, y'all. My turn. Just cut it like that, right? We're going to cut a little square in it like that. Uh-oh, I almost knocked my plate off, y'all. Almost knocked the plate off. That right there would have been a video. That's my take-home plate right there, y'all. I'm about to go home. If it ain't too late, I'm gonna eat it tonight. If not, I'm definitely gonna heat it up in the morning. Thank you, Kira. Word is born, y'all, on my YouTube channel. That's my big sis right there, y'all.